Do you want fix your controller or gamepad in once human not working? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, okay, we are going to the Steam, okay, and here in the Steam we are going to the library, okay. Go to the library, and here we are going to the once human here, okay, and go to this icon, okay, and go to the properties, and here we are going to the controller, and if you have a your controller of PlayStation, okay, you have this okay, this circle in blue, okay, and if you not work, okay, you disable this and enable okay, now, okay, and you solve the problem of controller or gamepad, okay, not working. Bye bye.